Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. A warm welcome to all you guys out there tuning in today. So today I'm doing a 2.5 week update from using the Nature Choice hair vitamins. Here I have attached the supplement fats for any of you guys that are out there interested. I'm going to show you the update regarding my nails. I'm not going to address my hair until a little later. If you're new tuning in, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell's notification, and show me some support and click that thumbs up. So this is what my nails look like. They have grown tremendously. In this hair vitamin, it consists of biotin, vitamin A, and folic acid. Just all the things that you need to help beautify yourself. You guys, I typically do not grow my nails beyond this point, and I would go in and clip them. But I am so curious to see how well they'll do since I'm taking this hair supplement, you guys. My tips look very white. They look healthy. I'm just very proud of my nails here. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.